visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid, and I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. This is also a timeless reading. So whenever you see the video, that's where you should see it. No, the message is meant to find you. The first card is the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. So bakit parang hindi malaman, no, kung paanong hawak ang gagawin ko sa relationship na ito? Meron ditong inconsistencies eh. Pwedeng minsan, no, sobrang higpit, minsan naman sobrang luwag. Meron din ditong trinay na, no, yung iba-ibang tricks, no? Santong dasalan, santong paspasan, pero parang feeling ko bakit walang nangyayari. With the Six of Pentacles and the Two of Wands. Meron yata ditong nakapag-isip na, or probably, no, they just found out na hindi kaya masyadong maaga yung pagsagot ko sa kanya or masyadong maaga na naging kami, no? Dapat pala siguro kinilala ko munang mabuti. So, kapag ganun ang nagiging thinking ng isang karelasyon or kahit ikaw, no, kung ikaw ito sa karelasyon mo, meron ditong somewhat pagsisisi, di ba? Kasi bakit kamo? Bakit niya ito may isip kung satisfied naman, di ba? With the Knight of Pentacles, we have the Nine of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. So, meron dito, no, parang pinag-aaralan kong mabuti. Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin? So kapag ganon, either ang iniisip nitong taong to, ano ba yung pwede kong gawin na para umayos itong dynamic namin, or umalis na kaya ako? Kasi someone is actually looking for a solution. 'Di ba? Kapag ganito na yung issue, kapag ganito na yung thinking, there must be a problem, no? May problema. May nakikita akong problema. Either gusto kong abolish yung problem or fixing the problem. Let's check the Knight of Pentacles clarified with the Nine of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. Parang nakita natin dito so far, no, ang nangyayari is hinahayaan ko lang muna, hindi ako masyadong nagsasalita, pero at the back of my mind, I'm already looking for some answers. Why this situation or why this relationship is nandito, no, sa dynamic na ganito. Knight of Wands, it's supposedly na medyo dapat maayos yung flow eh. Kaso, nagkaroon ng Knight of Pentacles, so nagkaroon ng stagnation. So, nakikita nating flow is the Knight of Swords, yung mabilis. Knight of Wands, ito yung katamtaman, no? Knight of Cups, yung mabagal. And Knight of Pentacles, ito yung stagnant. So parang nandun siya sa nagfo-flow ng maayos and then stagnation. So nakita natin dito yung flow na parang, uy, merong blockage. And the blockage is siguro miscommunication. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, hinayaan. Parang siguro meron dito nagsabi, I could have called out the person, no? From the start. I could have said something, pero hinayaan ko lang muna. Ngayon, parang it seems like things becomes normal. Ngayon pa ba ako magsasalita? Kasi kung ito yung naging tradition, kung ito yung naging flow, baka naman kasi sabihin, bakit ngayon mo lang sinabi? Meron ka na palang issues, no? So with the 10 of Pentacles and the Ace of Cups, isa pa ngang cards dito, no? Card rather, with the King of Swords. I think na meron ditong nagbago when it comes to giving their abundance, the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles kasi abundance may mean rather abundance with money, abundance with time, energy, or effort. So, dahil sa sobrang pagmamahal, na ibigay ko lahat. Ngayon, someone here said or probably realized, hindi pala dapat ganon. So, kapag gano'n naman yung thinking, someone understood or probably noticed, para akong naabuso. Again, the reading may be for you or for your person, no? You can switch the energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic. So, with the 10 of Pentacles clarified with the 10 of Wands and the 2 of Cups. So, parang sabi dito, sobra yata yung naibibigay ko because of love, no? Pwedeng it's a combination of time, energy, money, and also yung monetary wise, no, finances. Parang nasa na yung natitira sa akin. Parang feeling ko walang natira sa akin at walang matitira sa akin kapag pinagpatuloy ko pa yung ganitong sistema. So with the Knight of Swords, clarified with the Temperance, and the 10 of Cups. So parang nandun pa rin naman yung love. I think meron lang dito parang binabawi ng kaunti, yung sabihin nating hindi ako masyado ngayon nagbibigay, no? It could be a test to someone na titingnan ko nga kung ano yung magiging reaction niya kung sakaling hindi ako mag-aabot either ng pera or kung hindi ko masyadong ibibigay sa kanya yung 100% ng time ko, no? Will this person going to love me the same? 'Di ba? Yun kasi parang doon pa lang meron siyang napapansin, no? Etong taong to may napapansin na am I just being used? Am I just being abused and I am letting this happen? So with the 7 of Wands, that makes sense with the 7 of Wands and the Hermit. Someone here wanted to seek for clarity. And the 7 of Wands, this is someone's way of ano yung tawag dito? Strategizing, no? To look or search for the clarity for this the Hermit. The Hermit is more of the enlightenment. I think that someone here is testing the person to understand, no? If this person still loves me, even without giving, no, this abundance. Hindi kaya meron lang to nahihita sa akin, kaya meron itong, kaya ito nagkakaroon ng reciprocations or meron talaga itong pag-ibig sa akin, no, which is emotion. So let's check, yan nga, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign, pero bago yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa reading na ito, if you resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayong mga tanong, sa description box, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So let's see the zodiac sign of this person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Tulad na kanilang sun, moon, rising, no? Mars, Mercury, Venus. Pwede rin lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign or a placement din sa inyong chart. I'm seeing Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces. Sagittarius is very dominant, no? I am seeing Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, Scorpio is here. Leo, Taurus, Libra, Aries, Capricorn. Um, yeah, I just mentioned Virgo. Gemini. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.